Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robyn.
Today I have PopBabies. It is a USB blender. So Robyn sent me a text wanting me to review a USB blender. I think it was a reason, an excuse to get on 2 Cent Chicks again. It didn't involve food, but I guess this is kind of food. But maybe it's healthy. I can make a smoothie. Food
is my love language.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is not the one she had sent me. I searched Amazon and I found this one. This one had pretty good reviews. It was had 4 stars, over 300 reviews. And since Facebook listens or watches everything we do, I think the next day this showed up as a lightning deal on my Facebook page. That also came with, this is an ice cube tray, a mini tray. That Robyn did not know it.
For the mini blender that I had no idea what that was.
So it would fit in there. So the lightning deal was $28.46 or something like that. It originally was like $36.99 is what the price is right now. But this, I guess, was my little bonus, the ice cube tray, because this did not come with it. The USB blender, you think, where would you use this? Thought camping, not that I go camping.
No.
Boat, I could see a
Definitely
boat. A pool, by the pool. You want to make drinks, frozen drinks, but you gotta have ice, so maybe you have ice in your cooler. At the office, even though you could have a plug at the office, but this would be easy to use at your desk, I think.
Yeah, so you don't have to have a blender at work.
Right. I like the convenience though that it's small.
Yeah.
I don't have to pull out a big blender because I'm not one to
It's lightweight.
Yeah, it is light. And I think it's pretty powerful, so we'll see that in a minute. I want to try a few different things. So Robyn had tried this at home. I thought this would be good. She could try it at home. I tried it at home, and then we can come together and see what we liked and what we didn't like about it. In this video, she was making the raspberry.
Yeah, protein powder with raspberries.
Frozen raspberries.
Yeah, frozen raspberries. And that's it. Okay. And I used water. Sometimes I use coconut, which I said coconut or almond milk, but I was out.
Okay, so issues with the frozen raspberries?
No, well, not really. Now, it did amazing. It did way better. It really did way better than I thought it would. Just because it's battery operated. Yeah. You're coming from someone who uses a Vitamix every day. So once you've had a Vitamix versus a regular standard blender, that's the smoothest a smoothie could ever be because there's nothing left behind. So at the end of the smoothie that I made, there were little raspberries at the bottom. Okay. But everything else was blended and smooth. It had great flavor. I was really actually very impressed.
Okay. So I froze some strawberries and bananas. I also have fresh strawberries and bananas just to see when I'm gonna add some ice to it.
Yeah.
And see how that does. It does come with a little recipe book.
You cannot read.
But, yeah, I don't know who decided to put a super light blue font or color for it.
It matches this.
I guess, but you can
can't
barely read it. And it's super fine print. I guess they were saving on printing, but
they got a lot in there.
They get a lot in here, yeah, if you can read it.
Right.
Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to add liquid first, is what it says to do. So I'm making this recipe up, so I don't know. I'm going to do 6 ounces.
Yep.
You do have to cut your fruit up in small pieces. Okay. So and there's a timer, so once you press it, it will run for 20 seconds.
Yes.
One thing we forgot, it did say in the directions to reverse it, which is, I think, confusing, and they may turn it upside down before, right?
Weird wording.
Yes. So reverse is upside down. Ooh, what was that? Oh, uh-oh.
I think
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It looks pretty smooth.
Yeah.
No, not much.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, that was. I'm kind of impressed with that.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna fill this half with water to clean it. Kind of like the tornado.
Yes, but I was impressed when I did the cleaning that it even got the top, like the inside of the top, because it was pretty coated when I did my smoothie, and it's clean. So it does a good job. Okay. So now we have some fresh strawberries and bananas. We're gonna add some ice to this one. I guess I'll just do
fruit. Now, let me just say something. I've seen a lot of these trays. That's why I didn't tell Robyn what this was. I thought she knew what this was. But if you haven't seen these, it's just a silicone ice tray that does all these mini. I thought it was hard to get out. I personally buy a bag of ice at Sonic because I love Sonic ice. It's a nice little cubed ice. So I don't know if I would really mess with this tray, but we will use it for this demonstration. They're cute little ice cubes, but
they are.
I think it's easier just to go buy I think it's $2.50 or something for a bag of Sonic ice.
But it is cute.
It is cute.
Yes, I had no earthly idea what that was. I was like, am I supposed to put the blender on top of this to catch like food like that falls? And I just put it aside because I didn't know.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Yeah, putting on a plate was not a good idea, but I just wanted to show
you. Like that it lights up like I'm ready. Okay. So
the reverse. Upside down.
Yeah,
reverse
it does say reverse it, which that confuses me. Okay. But now the blue light's not on. Okay, it looks a little watery.
Yeah, it does look a little watery.
So it may end up being the same consistency of that one. Let's see.
We could have used milk. I think milk would have
be creamier.
But I have skim milk.
More
so.
ice is gonna make it, but it's actually, well, it seems more.
So there's a few cubes. Is that cubes?
That was bananas.
That was bananas. Oh.
It was chunks of bananas. But, I mean, can you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. I mean, you could have left it on there longer, I guess.
Oh, I guess done another cycle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Tastes the same.
This one tastes thicker, but I think it's because the ice adds more water, adds more liquid.
Where I had, that was frozen.
Yeah, and that was frozen, so it's not adding water.
Right.
So it did better with it chopped the frozen vegetable.
Yeah.
I mean fruit better. Really good.
And it was quick.
Yeah.
If I read it correctly, was apples, carrots, and celery. So I picked that one because just you think it would be harder to mix up the celery and the carrots and apples. They're all harder fruits than the strawberries and bananas.
Yes.
So we'll see how that works. Okay, so this recipe, to be honest, they all suck. It doesn't say what liquid to add. It doesn't. So we're gonna add water, but we're not gonna add ice to it. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna mix real well. Okay, so we're gonna reverse this.
You have a hard time with that.
I do have a hard time with the lid. You did not.
No.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Reverse.
Reverse. It looks
pureed.
It looks like applesauce. Really.
Ooh, it does.
It looks like. I'm gonna go one more time. Like, can I do half the time?
Well, you just have to stop it manually.
Let's see. Let me just, because it looks like applesauce right now. Okay, but I don't see any chunks of anything.
Right. I'm really impressed that it got the celery.
Even though we do have to cut it up finer pieces than you would a regular blender, but still, I mean. looks delicious.
I'm not sure that.
Okay, I drink that nasty green stuff every morning, so.
Right. Is it?
The texture.
Oh. No bueno. But it did a good job.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to see.
Yeah,
We're
not really
what it tastes like.
Right.
Our friend Jose would like to give the blender a try. I thought if we're out, pool, boats, it would be nice to have a frozen drink.
Yeah.
So let's give it a try. Let's see how Jose does.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and measure this out. You think that's good?
Sure.
Or should I go all the way? Let's just do. We're making it, right?
Right.
Okay. So
That's your liquid.
in she goes. Okay.
Get the boobs are in the way.
Boobs are always
Reverse
in the
it.
way. I'm gonna reverse it. Boobs are always in the way.
Oh,
Oh dear. Oh dear. Gonna need cleanup on aisle 2.
I'm on it.
Okay. So I'm gonna take it to about 6.5.
Yeah. That was like 2 ounces, so we went over.
Yeah, we did go over. So let's go over on this too. Just to kind of.
Here's the ice. This is the Sonic ice.
It smells good. Let's see if I can.
Once again, we need a
block it. Ay, ay, ay. Another cleanup.
You one of those folding
Yeah.
chopping mat.
Yes, yes. And that would be great. Okay. All right. Okay. So we're gonna put it on reverse. Finally got the reverse down. Oh, I didn't do, see, it's real liquidy.
It is liquidy.
So if you want it more
Let's add a little more ice.
yeah. If you want it more frozen margarita.
This will be really fun on the boat. All right, let's try again.
Go again.
Maybe don't go as long.
Reverse.
Oh, what's that mean?
Oh, does that mean is it dying?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so when you need to charge it, pull this down. Put that in there. Into any USB port. It's red. When it's done charging, it turns to blue. Okay, we got a little more charge on it, so let's see.
Let's see what happens. You think that's good?
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely frozen, but it's not hard frozen. Okay. Well, afternoon delight. I'll make a good margarita. It's good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. yeah.
Take this on the boat for sure.
Yeah, we could drink those all day.
You put this in the little ice cube tray.
Oh,
That would be a good idea.
Somebody put on her smart hat.
Thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, PopBabies.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
think that's awesome.
I do too.
It did go off when we were making the margarita. It died. But let's see. I used it. You're supposed to, when you first use it, you're supposed to charge it for 3 to 4 hours. And then after that, you charge it for an hour after it dies. So I charged it. I used it. I gave it to Robyn. You used it once and to make a smoothie and to clean it.
Right.
And I had cleaned it also. And then she gave it back to me. I used it again. And it still was charged. I actually used it again, and then I was playing around with it, making tornadoes.
She's doing science.
But yeah. And it wasn't dead when I put it on the charger. I just want to make sure we had enough for this. But so, you know, we made these two and this wonderful beverage and this one. So that was pretty, and the cleaning, in between. So I think it worked pretty well.
Yeah, I think it's great. I mean, it wouldn't be for everyday use by any means. I mean, unless well,
I don't keep my mixer or blender out. So like my son
I don't
really
keep
likes,
mine out either. I just get it out as needed. But I usually add more to my morning smoothie than what this will hold. So.
Well, my son likes smoothies.
Yeah.
And I made him one this morning.
Yeah.
And it was super simple. And so
Right.
just like making
Right.
this frozen one,
Yeah.
I would totally use this.
Yeah.
It was easy. I was done in a minute. So thumbs up for me.
Thumbs
and
up
thank
for me.
you. I'm glad you sent me
Yeah.
the request for
I
this.
appreciate you doing it.
Sure.
So.
If you have one of these or you think you would use one of these, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Bye.
Dog, seriously.